What's poppin' YouTube gang and gang members? Welcome back to CTV where the limit is infinite, the grind running across the sky. And don't forget to like, comment, and glide to the subscribe button. It's your boy King, aka the man with the plan for the land.
And I'm Daryus P and we back with some more Rick, nah, I ain't know, Rick and Morty.
Oh, Rick&Morty. You talking about the
I was talking about something else, but that's too.
who said it? The Soldier Boy made that shit?
Yeah, I heard that song. I ain't know Rick and Morty. Well, I heard the names of them, but I ain't never had seen the show.
You find out why this show got a big ass fan base.
Well, on the first episode, we laughing the whole time. I can see how crazy these folks is.
Just how the opening scene, my boy came in the room drunk as hell and just drove bro out the bridge. Like, come on, bro, we gotta start civilization over. Like, nigga, what?
Bro, what are you talking about?
You gonna be Adam and your little girl, the home girl in high school.
His crush,
yeah,
gonna be Eve or like, he's like, I'm on board.
Don't worry for it, I ain't gonna try to do nothing with her. What are you talking about? First of all, you an old ass man. And why the fuck you so drunk?
Why you was flying a spaceship drunk?
Yeah, then they come to the adventure to get some seeds.
Yeah, put him in his rectum.
This tall, and Morty got down 40 low. But his portal gun. His portal gun wasn't charged, so they had to go through international customs. You know, all them different ass PTs and shit.
International customs, boy.
You gotta go through the machine. Yeah, what is it? The take stuff away from the butt. Come on, took off and run Morty.
Out of there.
No, but one of the most funny scenes though, when he forgot to put on gravity shoes. That shit, not gravity shoes, but that was grappling shoes.
Yeah, gravity.
You gotta turn them over.
Anti-gravity.
So turn them on, no problem. Rick, yeah, that's nothing. Rick is a fucking asshole, bro. He definitely an asshole. And how he be fucking, how he say shit, bro. He's so fucking sarcastic. He's so smart.
Yeah.
So they'll say some simple shit. Like, oh shit, you make eggs. That's how you fucking make eggs. You just be spazzing for no reason, bro. But shit, I guess that's why you love his character so much. He's too fucking smart for anything. See, and then at the end,
He got a portal gun.
exactly.
You know, he's smart.
Fucking portal gun.
Ain't nobody even know these other dimensions even exist except for you.
They jump in dimensions. That's what's crazy as fuck. And Morty put them seeds in his rectum. They absolved, gave him super intelligence.
Yeah.
But
Oh yeah, my boy was super smart. But it lasts, so it go away though.
Yeah, it went away and he lost function for like 3 days.
Yeah.
And that's when you see Rat going on his rant at the end. Rick and Morty forever type shit. And Morty was on the ground fucking fucked up. And that was about it.
Alright, y'all, we'll go ahead and get into this next episode. I'm talking to Lawnmower Dog. Say Lawnmower. Lawnmower Dog. Let's do it.
Got a dog.
What? Why are you looking at me? You want to go outside? Outside?
I gotta use the bathroom.
Outside?
I don't want to go outside.
Are you kidding me? Come on!
Oh my god.
Disrespect.
What's wrong?
Your idiot dog!
Oh, he didn't mean it, Dad. Did you, Snuffles? You're a good
Yeah, he
boy.
meant it.
You're a
Praise him
good
now,
dog.
Morty. He just peed on the carpet. Bad dog. Bad.
Morty, come on. I need your help tonight.
Hey, wait. Hold on a second, Rick. You wouldn't by any chance have some sort of crazy science thing you could whip up that might help make this dog a little smarter, would you?
I thought the whole point of having a dog was to feel superior, Jerry. If I were you, I wouldn't pull that thread. Come on, Morty.
Yeah, be saying, bro.
You make that dog smart, or Morty's grounded.
Oh, man. Boy, you really got me up against the wall this time, Jerry.
My boy was in there for 10 seconds.
All right, Ruffles. What's his name? Snuffles. Snuffles. Shake. Roll over. Go to the bathroom.
You.
No.
Man went to the
You're
toilet.
at the top of your game now, Jerry. Have fun. Come on, Morty.
Dog gonna be smarter than y'all.
What is it? It's a device, Morty, that when you put it in your ear, you can enter people's dreams, Morty. It's just like that movie that you keep crowing about. You talking about Inception? That's right, Morty. This is gonna be a lot like that, except, you know, it's gonna make sense. Inception made sense? You don't have to try to impress me, Morty.
No,
Listen,
you didn't.
tonight we're gonna go to the home of your math teacher, Mr. Goldenfold. And we're gonna incept the idea in his brain to give you A's in math, Morty. That way you can, you know, you're gonna help me with my science, Morty, all the time. Jeez, Rick, and the time it took you to make this thing, couldn't you just, you know, helped me with my homework? Are you listening to me, Morty? Homework is stupid. The whole point is to get less of it. Just, come on.
Right.
Let's just get over there and deal with this thing.
Homework don't make no sense.
Nice, Mrs. Pancakes. Real nice.
You don't know me.
That's the math teacher.
Yeah.
Get to know you, damn it.
That teacher period.
Spoilers. I'm a full season behind. Wow, Rick, I can't believe we're sitting around standing around in
Oh,
Mr.
your granddaddy,
Goldenfold's
Rick.
house. It's really weird. It's about to get a whole lot weirder, Morty.
He gonna get in the seat. People, boy.
Nah, this is Dream.
Oh, I think you've had enough, sir.
You don't know me.
All right, Morty, time to make our move.
Make it bounce.
No, you didn't.
Oh, damn it.
Yo.
Allah Akbar! We're gonna
What
take
the
control of this
fuck,
plane.
bro?
We're gonna 9/11 it unless Morty Smith gets better grades in math. Hey, I said nobody move, buddy.
The name's not Buddy. It's Goldenfold. Nice to meet you.
Boy, you in my grade. Boy, you wrap this head in this That's a plane, my guy.
Goldenfold's
his
got more
dream,
control
though.
here than I anticipated.
So he
The guy
can
teaches
control
high
that
school
shit.
math, but we can't get killed. If you get killed in someone else's dream, you die for real, Morty. What? Are you kidding me? Oh! Don't be a baby. You avoid getting shot in real life all the time, Morty. Just do the same thing here and we'll be fine.
Probably on their adventures he do.
Now, bring me my slippers.
Wow.
Now, be my footstool, Snuffles.
This is what I'm talking about. This is a dog.
Oh, yeah, this should play out just fine.
What
You
about
said the
you
same
going
thing
crazy on
equally
TikTok?
sarcastically
Like,
at
two
our
fingers.
wedding.
He's saying I
Oh,
love
God,
Obama.
sad.
So cute. I'm posting this online, like, right now.
I should call Bob Saget. Is that still a thing?
Who the fuck is Bob?
You know that. And the animal show, I know what it is.
Oh?
Anybody know?
One battery in that bitch.
Oh, shit, he about to add some more to it. My boy about to be super small.
He gonna kill this, you know,
Coming out.
everybody.
Just wanna
He done
talk.
killed the lady
Why would I
back there.
negotiate with you?
Because we're both rational adults that don't want anything bad to happen. And because I have a human shield.
Mrs. Pancake!
Oh no, Morty. The subconscious is panicking.
Run!
What about the man?
Relax, Morty. Mrs. Pancakes has a parachute. Come on.
He gave her a parachute.
Hey, you don't know me.
Oh no, Rick, look! Goldenfold landed the plane, and he's created a mechanical arm to pluck Mrs. Pancakes out of the air while he lets
Man,
her fall into
come
the
on.
This shit's crazy, bro.
Looks like we've
My
merely
boy
prolonged the
dreaming,
inevitable.
dreaming.
That's it, Morty. Prolonging the inevitable. Listen, if we go into Mrs. Pancake's dream, everything will go 100 times slower,
sleep,
Morty.
though.
That'll buy us some time to figure this out.
You don't know me.
Damn.
Sleep now.
All right, let's go.
Yeah. That ain't going even deeper.
Oh, what the fuck? No, Mrs. You don't
Man,
know
Rick,
me.
this is pretty weird. Don't judge, Morty.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, well, look, Mrs. Pancakes is right over there.
Mrs.
I'll just go
Pancakes.
ask her to tell Goldenfold not to kill us when she wakes up. Whoa, whoa, Morty. The trick to incepting is making people think they came up with the idea. Listen to me. If we're gonna incept Mrs. Pancakes, we have to blend.
That's how you doing there.
Talk to you after
It
lunch.
was like
Man,
Inception.
what was them
They all the way Inception.
Oh,
What the hell?
oh, man. I'm sorry. No, no.
Oh, come here.
No, thanks.
Oh, wow. Come over here,
The
baby.
pleasure
Okay.
pig.
Whoa.
Oh, what the hell? She...
Hey there, stranger. What do you think of these things?
Oh, gross. Gross.
No.
What's the matter with you, Morty?
But
Calm
what the
down.
fuck? Where you
Kinda
been away
killing the
for
vibe in
20
here.
seconds?
Summer. Oh, jeez. Looks like Goldenfold has some predilection so shameful he buries them in the dreams of the people in his dreams, including a pervy attraction to your underage sister.
Yeah.
You blame him? Come on, old man, little boy. Let's make an intergenerational sandwich.
Oh my god, put some clothes on!
That's it. Targaryen shit.
I'm gonna puke! I swear to god, I'm gonna puke!
Sexual hang-ups in the pleasure chamber are punishable by death! Off with their heads!
Time to go another dream deep, Morty.
Choked his ass out.
I gotta go into his dreams like he make him not want to kill us.
Yeah.
Dream version of a centaur. Be dreaming about a scary place like this, Rick. Jeez, I don't know, Morty. What do you want from me?
In a dream, that's in a dream, that's in a dream.
bitch. I'm Scary Terry. You can run.
Scary Terry.
Snuffles fix. Make better. Humans understand Snuffles now?
That is awesome.
Nah.
Snuffles
I'm taking that thing off now.
A sophisticated predator, nature's perfect killing machine, the vicious wolf, stalks its prey with purpose and skill. It was only with years of selective breeding and genetic altering that this noble beast was transformed into man so
I'm about to get mad at that shit.
Mad as hell.
Yup.
Thank y'all.
Yeah, look at Airbud.
Let y'all play toys.
You have to escape into someone else's dreams, Morty.
This is in the real Freddy Krueger movie too.
Oh man!
The
little girl.
Damn. What y'all gonna do to people? Same shit.
Oh man, it looks like we've hit dream bedrock here, Morty. Oh jeez, Rick. Whoa, this isn't good.
Nothing but fear from here on out, bitch.
You gotta call him a
Travel
bitch.
through dreams. He can travel through dreams. We're so screwed.
Yeah, it is Freddy Krueger though.
Man, what the?
Where are my testicles, Summer?
Oh,
They were removed. Where have they gone?
Yeah, they took
Oh,
y'all the dude
wow.
dog.
That's an intense line of questioning, Snuffles.
Do not call me that. Snuffles was my slave name. You shall now call me Snowball.
Snowball, just calm down, okay? You're scaring me.
Scaring you? Tell me, Summer. If a human was born with stumpy legs, would they breed it with another deformed human and put their children on display like the doctor?
Is everything okay in here?
Jerry, come to rub my face in urine again.
No! No! We were...
Totally. Let's go.
You will walk when it is time to walk.
No.
Ooh.
They got a
Like that,
table have turn.
What are we here for again?
Scary shit.
Accepting. We're trying to accept me to get an A in math. Oh yeah.
That dangerous player, bro.
Buckle up, bitch.
My boy everywhere.
He keeps saying we can run, but we can't hide. I say we try hiding. But that's the opposite of what... Yeah, well, since when are we taking this guy's advice on anything?
It's
not like he'd be sharing that
just hide
information with
from
us,
they can't run though.
I think it's a good idea, Rick.
can
Worst
run,
case
but you
scenario.
Can't happen. They actually do the opposite.
Yeah.
16 dream hours later.
He can't find
Wow, you know what? I mean, it looks like we could have just hid this whole time. Boy, Rick, that was some good thinking. Thanks, Morty, yeah.
Now you gotta go back though. These folks got a little dog.
manufacturing.
Snuffles, we didn't mean you any harm. This is a huge misunderstanding.
Dad, he wants to be called Snowball.
Well, I'm not calling him that. That's ridiculous.
You're being very aggressive, Jerry. Perhaps tomorrow Dr. Scraps will solve that problem with a bit of surgery.
Huh. You think you can control me with a haircut?
Haircut.
Dang, what they talking about, big dog?
At all. My boy just went home.
Hi, honey. You're home early. How was your day?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, of course. You never want to talk about it.
Get off my back, bitch.
Out there. Not in here.
I know. I shouldn't take my anger out on you or Scary Brandon.
Scary Brandon.
I love you too, Terry.
Morty, this is perfect. After a little scary coitus, they should be fast asleep, and then we'll incept him.
This
Now
show
you finna go
is
inside.
an adventure, bro. Look at the sheets.
Looks like Scary Terry's having a nightmare. Oh boy, Rick, I can only imagine what horrible things must, scare Scary Terry.
Oh no, I'm late to class, bitch.
Proper wordplay to use when one is chasing one's victim through a pumpkin patch.
Oh, bitch.
Oh, come on, Terry.
It's our here president.
Who cares what stupid pun you make when you kill someone? Why don't you let the poor guy say whatever he wants?
Well, I see no reason to stand here and take this.
You're putting too much pressure on yourself, Scary Terry. You know, I mean, you're perfectly scary enough as it is.
Hey, yo, Scary T, don't even trip about your pants, dog. Here's a pair on us, fool.
Oh, bitch.
Tell somebody look like Scary T.
Say anything, we got you.
Oh, hey. It's you guys. If you guys ever need anything, just say the word.
As a matter of fact, Terry, there is something you could help us with.
I always hated that song.
Damn. Back.
These halves don't belong together, bitch. Sex is sacred.
That man turned to a damn rocket.
Because he can travel to everybody's dream.
Oh, yeah.
Freddie Cooper can. So everybody's dream. He told him to get more.
Well, one thing for sure. I'm giving Morty an A in math, and that's my idea. That is an original thought.
Well, who man got a poster? You saw the poster.
Oh, girl.
This is the pancake.
You don't know me.
Out of the frying pan, ... huh, Morty?
Oh, man, what's going on?
Well, it's possible that your dog became self-aware and made modifications on the cognition amplifier, then turned on Jerry Beth in summer after learning about humanity's cruel subjugation of his species, but your guess is as good as mine, Morty.
We're not going anywhere. This is my house. I'm not abandoning it.
It's all over, Jerry. The dogs are on a path to total world domination. But hey, at least they know not to piss on your carpet, right?
Wait a minute. I have an idea. Gentlemen, a moment of your time.
How do you get them loose?
See that? I'm peeing all over your special guns. That means I own them.
Where do you supposed to get guns from?
He's been taking shit.
Bad.
Ooh, great plan, Jerry.
Bring the boy to me.
Bad human.
It's kind to me, Morty. That's why I will leave you with your testicles. From now on, you will be my best friend and live by my side.
Thanks, Snuffles.
Hell no.
Begin phase 2.
Fighting continues as the dog army captures
But what's those?
It appears
Take
clear
over
this
the world. Oh, what living a life?
Thank you, Fido. Rick, I thought you were dead.
No, I was just playing dead. Good news, though, Morty. This whole thing's gonna be over really soon.
What?
It's
Hey,
a
my boy
dream,
got him
Morty.
his
We're in your
look at
dog's dream. The night the dogs captured us,
He's pale.
after you cried and crapped your pants, we all went to sleep. Then I used my dream inceptors to put the two of us inside Snuffle's dream.
But it's been like a whole year.
It's been 6 hours. Dreams move 1/100th the speed of reality, and dog time is 1/7 human time. So, every day here is like a minute. It's like Inception, Morty, so if it's confusing and stupid, then so is everyone's favorite movie.
Oh, man. I really like this life. Well, at least I didn't really crap my pants.
No, that happened before you went to sleep, Morty. You're sleeping in your crap right now. Out of all the things that happened to you, that was the only real thing that
Rick.
pants.
Seriously?
Look, don't worry about it, Morty. Here, take
really
these.
got some hamburgers
Take
in
these.
the dog
Are
pill.
these pills supposed to wake me up or something?
Close. It's gonna make your kidneys shut down.
What?
It's necessary for the plan, Morty. Don't even trip, dog.
He needs to shut down.
It's pretty bad, Emperor Snowball. We're gonna need to do another
Anything.
If these medical expenses are putting you in serious financial jeopardy, you could lose your kingdom.
To hell with my kingdom, bean counter. I would trade it all for my humans' health and happiness.
Do you think they would have done this for us?
We are not them.
You basically doing
We
the
are
same
not
thing they do.
them. Taking over the humans' world will lead to nothing but more heartbreak, more cruelty. Instead, we will go to a new world and colonize it with a society of intelligent dogs. One that will not make the same mistakes as humanity, and one where pet insurance will be mandatory.
Snowball?
Rick too
Call
small,
me
bro.
Snuffles, Morty, and I'm going to miss you too, very much.
But what is this show, bro?
And they got all They got all the dogs at the
Just like
shelter.
the end of Old Yeller.
Only the dogs, too.
Whole world populated by intelligent dogs. I wonder what it'll be like, Rick.
I think it'll be great, Morty. You know, it could be developed into a very satisfying project for people of all ages. I mean, I'd watch it, Morty, for at least 11 minutes a pop. You know, maybe they'll do it board-driven.
You know, that's a real comforting idea, Rick.
What do you know, Morty?
Talking about
What do
other
you know?
movies with smart dogs and stuff.
Yeah, they be roasting like.
Hi guys, I'm your new teacher for Scary Class. My name is Scary Mr. Johnson. Actually, you know what? That's my dad's name, so why don't you just call me
weird.
Scary Glenn? Yeah. So anyway, I understand your previous
Oh,
teacher was having you work on fundamentals of fear, which is, what is that? You know, so here's what I say. You can't learn anything until you learn how to chill.
Hey, man,
This is how you dream, bitch.
Did you get on with that? I think it's on there on the thing, but yeah, sir, fucking Rick and Morty, but that shit take your mind on a trip.
Bruh, they just want a whole, just to get an 8.
Just to get an A in math.
Just to get an A in math. We hoping the whole.
And then it's like 2 stories in one, and then they combine at the end.
Yeah.
Because Jerry and the family had a problem with dog peeing on the carpet.
You went dog responsible, so you gonna pee on the carpet? Yeah. I'm gonna open the thing. If one battery make me do this, I put all the batteries in here. What damn battery? Transform.
Oh god. And the homeboy with one.
Yeah, my homeboy one. His homeboy's on.
Yeah. So basically he made more helmets.
Yeah.
Put them on the dogs. No.
So he had me.
He probably got add 2 batteries though. He's all on 4 batteries. We the leader.
Yeah, they had 2 batteries now. It make y'all smart. But when they figure out though,
they probably figured out because he only had 1
he
battery.
He probably hit all the batteries though. Ain't no more batteries in the world.
He probably just gave them 1. They probably ain't got no batteries.
Right. Just make them do.
They need batteries to cut off. Damn, we bet. Pistol. Snowball, that's what what the lady's name was?
Miss Pancakes.
Miss Pancakes. You don't know.
That motherfucker had him on the plane.
Oh, God. Right, these folks go hop out and have some damn, I guess, airbag or whatever you would call them. This man told me, Allah was
serious.
Kuba, whatever the fuck.
With some drinks.
Exactly. I'm like, bro,
I went to some chips and cheese in Central. Here's how I shoot on the plane, bro. Bro, you shoot the plane going down.
Shooting everybody. He went in, you just spraying, bro.
Yeah. Boy, jump out the plane. Hold on.
Exactly.
They all hit out the plane.
Yeah.
The plane landed. He and the plane landed before they landed. All 3 of them. I guess that they had parachutes.
He done built
My boy done built a trap while they still floating down. They said, nah, we going to her mine. He got a hold of 6.
But all of them was basically his dream inside.
Yeah.
He buried his thought in another.
So at the end of the day, he's scared of Freddy Cool.
Scary Terry.
Scary Terry.
And he got a son named Scary Brandon.
My boy had a whole scary family. Then at the school they said scary president on the thing.
Yeah. Might be doing more than like that though. he gave more than them Peter Brandon took. What they gonna do?
And then first of all, when they first put him into the dream, he just gave him one of the put the thing more there, he just failed. But when they sit down and look at
and if you look at his face when he be doing something like that, he have a little smirk on his face. Like, bro, you an asshole, bro.
The ball in his hand, but I'm making you do it.
That motherfucking weird, man. These folks on there are crazy, man. See, but if they would do what Jerry said, though, when he first came out, they did with their own. nah, they take the hit one off. So I was like, nah, bro, you can't just give him.
Yeah,
tell him
they told you. Just take the helmet off. Nah, you can't get Indian give him. Try to give it and take it away.
Build a transformer in it.
And the next thing you know, you waking up and he in your room.
He started engineering shit. But it is where am I? Where you at? Where am I telling?
Yeah.
Where am I testing? What?
I had some. I don't have them no more. Where they at? Then she said, "Let's go now, family. Midnight walk." We was going to walk when it's time to go on the walk.
Yeah, they on the chain there in the cave. $3 in one cave.
$3 they had them all outside on the train.
That shit is
But alright, y'all, that's gonna be it for this episode. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe too.
You got any suggestions, drop them in the comment section.
We'll see y'all in the next one.